suspension control module location is here behind this plate. There, the unit with two plugs, two connectors. There's clips. I think if I just lift this up, and there is another. Like this. The second one is hard to reach. Let's open the clip, slide the module out, take the second one. This is model D. I've seen newer models too. And that's it. Let's open it and check the solderings. 4 screws with Torx head. This is easy to lift away. According to the internet, the soldering for this component and these big connectors here are critical. So they are here, these big and here, and I can see there is a crack. It's visible with eye, without, and there is another. And I'm pretty sure there is one too. So I'm going to solder these again, just touching with the soldering iron this, and I think it fixes the problem.